main seasons in Ghana: the dry season and the wet season. The northern part of Ghana experiences its rainy season from April to mid-October, whilst there are two rainy seasons that occur throughout the rest of Ghana. The first is from April through July, and the second is from September through November. Therefore, we are in the rainy season. During this season, scorpions and insects such as flies and ants make themselves available to cause us harm. So, to be safe, we should make sure we wear jackets and trousers to protect ourselves against malaria and unknown insect bites. Thank you.